Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to read data from JSON file in Python language. For this example I made a JSON file called person.json which contains some data of a person. And for this example this file is going to be in the same directory with our example program. In this tutorial we're going to read some files from this JSON file and we're going to print them to the screen. In order to do that we need to import JSON module. I'm gonna type import JSON. Then we need to open this JSON file for reading. I'm going to open this file and I'm gonna call this file object person data, for example. Then we're going to load JSON data to an object. I'm gonna load this person data from JSON to an Python object, for example, let's call it employee. And finally let's print some data from this JSON file stored to our employee object. For example, let's print name. That's all in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like our video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!